Alright, you just walked in, that's why that last video everybody was freaking out. But anyways, back to what I was saying. So the potentiometer right now is at a really high voltage, or resistance, at the top. The wiper's all the way at, down at the bottom. And so that's why this motor's not turning. But as I decrease the resistance, running from the 47,000 ohm resistor into the gate of the MOSFET, as I decrease that, it'll start to turn. And that's because the voltage on the wiper changes, and when it becomes a lower resistance, there's a higher voltage drop at the wiper, because the potentiometer has a higher resistance at the bottom. Therefore, once that voltage becomes big enough, by decreasing the resistance, the motor will start to spin. And the reason that you can't get a lot of fine-tuned controls on this is because as you increase the voltage, the resistance is it's like an exponential decay, and maybe 1 volt change in the voltage will change the resistance by millions, and that's why you can't really get a fine control on this. It's either really on or off. That's just due to the nature of the MOSFET. Once you get to a certain voltage, the resistance changes very fast, and so it's hard to get fine-tuned controls, and that's what we'll use the op amp for in the practical exam 3.